How's it going, everyone? This is Chris with Hobby Cantina, and today we're going to be taking out the Kyosho Blizzard. Check this out. Oh yeah, look at all that fresh snow. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, we got so much snow, but let's go ahead and get the battery in and fire this thing up. I've been looking forward to this. We've had kind of slushy, icy snow in it. This thing just can't plow very well when it's like that. But yeah, I'm gonna get this battery in and then let's get out there. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fire this up real quick. And we're gonna get to driving it. And then I'll get some shots of it with some music. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's just cruising now. There we go. See what it looks like coming towards us. Okay, so we can kind of bring it, go back. Oh yeah, look at that, it's just hot. It was hopping. Full speed again. Oh, yeah. It's too deep. It's too deep. The snow is it's too much for it. Here the snow might be a little bit more like crunchy underneath, so let's see. Yeah, I can handle it over here. Look at that, making a little pass. This thing is awesome. Way to go, Kyosho, with the Blizzard 2.0. I'm straight plowing snow again. Oh no, we're stuck. Go forward. Oh yeah. Yeah, it got right out. Let's see if we can keep making this trail over here. Oh. There we go. Yeah, I mean, it's totally working. Look at this. This is awesome. Way to go, Kyosho. Well, I'm going to keep making a nice little trail here. Maybe we'll do the whole backyard. All right, let's send it across. There we go. You can see how thick that snow is. So I've noticed with this Kyosho Blizzard, the best thing you can do with this is keep going back and forth to kind of make a defined trail, and then you won't get stuck. That seems to be the best method. But yeah, this thing's awesome. Let's go ahead and I'm going to drive it around a little bit more, and then I'll get some shots. All right, everyone. Well, hope you enjoyed the Kyosho Blizzard, the 2.0. That was pretty awesome. I have another video where I actually unbox it and do all that, and I take it up to the mountains. I'll put the link down in the description below, so if you want to check out that first video I did on it, you've got that one. But today it was actually able to plow. I jumped it off the cooler there at the end. I thought I broke it, but it's good. So I thought I broke this part when I jumped it off the cooler, but it's all good. It snapped right back on. But yeah, this thing, the scale on it's awesome. That's all for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or suggestions or anything like that, leave those in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you. And as always, this is Chris with Hobby Cantina, and I'll see you out there.